Bentley? Will you take Leslie to be your wife?
Got a dopamine rush, got a
Leslie,
crush when you
will you take Bentley to be your husband?
got my heart on my sleeve. Can I
Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Nora G. So today's video is a wedding decor video, Cameroonian wedding guys, and congratulations Leslie and Bentley. But first, if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you can hit that subscribe button and join my family. For my returning subscribers, Happy New Year guys. I am grateful to be here and to have you all watching me again. This time I will show you how I made the centerpieces for Leslie and Bentley's wedding, elegant Cameroonian wedding, and then we will go on to see how it all went down that day because it was an elegant wedding guys. Anyway, so here is me doing the floral arrangements. I had to do 22 of this, and then the head table centerpiece, which was a floral runner, as well as the sweetheart area. I would have loved to show you every step of all the wedding preparation for this particular event, but for time reasons, I'm only going to show you the floral arrangements that I did, and then we will go on to do the setup, and then right down to the nitty-gritty, which is the party proper guys. So I'm using artificial flowers for this, and you could also do this with natural flowers. However, you would need to use an Oasis foam and not styrofoam because you need to preserve your flowers. In a case where you're using artificial flowers like I am currently doing, all you need is styrofoam, some hydrangeas, some roses, some peonies, and then I have this eucalyptus bush which I will also use. So I will go ahead to cut this off. And once I have that all cut out, I will start inserting my flowers. Alright, so here you may want to use tacky glue or any other form of glue to stick in your flower to the styrofoam if you're looking to making the floral arrangement to last forever. In my case, I always recycle because I usually would change up the flowers depending on the event, so I don't intend to have it sticking in there forever, so I'm not using any glue in this case. Also, when you're doing this arrangement, you want to start with your bigger flowers. So in my case, I started off with the hydrangeas and then the peonies, which was the second biggest, to fill in the gaps, and then I'll go on with the smaller roses, and then lastly I will use the bushes, the eucalyptus greenery, and voila, we have our floral arrangement. And here we go, all 22 of them. So I will post the links to where you can purchase the hydrangea, peonies, roses, the eucalyptus bushes, all in the description box for those of you looking to DIYing this for your event, or if you're an event decorator like myself looking to purchasing this for your business. Alright, so make sure to check out the description box below. If you have any questions regarding this floral arrangement, please do let me know in the comment section below. Next up, we're going to set up for our event. Hello guys, so we're actually getting ready to go set up, and this is so yeah, we're going. So with the help of my amazing team, we are all packed and ready to go. We had back-to-back events, so we've barely slept, but we have to do this. All right, the client want what they want when they want it, and you have to deliver. Okay, all right, so this is the LOVE sign I had made in my previous video. Make sure to check out the marquee LOVE if you'd like to know how I made this. Make sure to check the description box or my channel. Alright, so now we're at the venue and it's time for us to set up. We're at Parkview Manor in North York, Toronto area. It is a very lovely venue. Very lovely. Get yourself a lovely, elegant venue and you don't have to spend a lot in decorating. All right, that is the trick, guys. I'm telling you now. Anyway, so yeah, we have to get started here. Thank goodness we had a lot of help from the venue. They already had the chairs and tables set up for us, and the guys for the vinyl flooring were already there to do their job, so everything was just in place. And now we have to get started, and to save you on time, I'm just gonna show you the outcome of this. All right, so yeah, I don't know what I was saying here, but yeah, this is us. All right, so next, this is the reveal. And so this is the outcome of our Cameroonian wedding, and I would not be doing a voiceover going forward, just so I can let you savor and enjoy this elegant wedding of Leslie and Bentley as much as I did. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to watch this video to the end to enjoy the vibe that Leslie and Bentley were giving us, guys. I just love them. So I hope you enjoyed them, and wish them congratulations, guys. Comment congratulations to Leslie and Bentley in the comment section. Thank you, and have a happy new year. So stick around and make sure to watch this video to the end to see the most beautiful bride ever and the most dapper groom ever. Go and argue with your ancestors. All right, keep watching and have a great day.
life, bro. I don't care what you say, my nigga. I go chop my life, and I go chop my life, bro. I don't care what you say, bro.
Life overshot for us to be stressing, oh no, oh no. If you get some more money, make you spend it, oh no, oh no. No one knows tomorrow, every second's borrowed, borrowed. As for me, I go live my life. Got all the bolos so not for nothing. If I no go fit to enjoy life, I feel play so it will vanish. La vie n'est pas compliquée. De temps à temps, il faut s'enjailler. Faut pas tout planifier. Faut être spontané. Oh mon con winger, oh mon con ça joue. Oh mon con winger, oh mon con ça joue. Oh mon con winger, oh mon con ça joue. Oh mon con ça joue.
I'ma chop my life, I'ma chop my life, bro. I don't care what you say, my nigga. I go chop my life, and I go chop my life, bro. I don't care what you say.
Take my friends down to Creepy, whole weekend in Santorini. Thank God your boy don't get money, so I go fi spoil my mommy. And know all of these fancy things, yeah, that I couldn't afford to pay, yeah. Surtout don't forget to say, yeah.
As for me, I go live my life.
The one and only talented, born Cameroonian, residing here in Toronto, in the person of Remy. Put your hands together as we welcome Mary on stage. Together for Remy in the building.
Yes! I got having fun tonight! Emperor Music! Is everybody having fun tonight? Batibo boy! De bien! Remy Reggae, no! Ah! Disappear on the... I say, now you are the look.
I go live my life. Got all the bolos so not for nothing. If I no go fit to enjoy life, I feel play so it will vanish. La vie n'est pas compliquée. De temps à temps il faut s'enjailler. Faut pas tout planifier. Faut être spontané. Oh mon con winger, oh mon con ça joue. Oh mon con winger, oh mon con ça joue.
say, my nigga, I go chop my life, and I go chop my life, I don't care what you say.
Take my friends down to creepy. Whole weekend in Santorini. Thank God your boy don't get money, so I go fi spoil my mommy. And do all of these fancy things, yeah, that I couldn't afford to pay, yeah. Surtout don't forget to say, yeah.
That's for me, I go live my life. All the bolos so not for nothing. If I don't go fit to enjoy life, I feel play so it's your funny. La vie n'est pas compliquée. De temps à temps, il faut s'enjailler. Faut pas tout planifier. Faut être spontané. Oh mon con winger, oh mon con ça joue. Oh mon con winger, oh mon con ça joue. Oh mon con winger, oh mon con ça joue. Oh mon con ça joue. Oh mon con ça joue. Oh mon con winger, oh mon con ça joue. Oh mon con winger, oh mon con ça joue.
I'ma chop my life, boo. I don't care what you say, my nigga, I go chop my life, and I'ma chop my life, boo. I don't care what you say, woo. I'ma chop my life, boo. I don't care what you say, my nigga, I go chop my life, and I'ma chop my life, boo. I don't care what you say, woo.